You struggling to get sales on your Shopify store, or maybe you have built your store but traffic just isn't coming in. Don't worry, today I'll show you how you can hire a professional Shopify marketing expert who will promote your store and help you increase sales fast, all from Fiverr. Many Shopify store owners make these mistakes. They create a store, add product, and wait for magic to happen. But without proper marketing like social media ads, SEO, email campaign, you will struggle to make consistent sales. Where you comes in on Fiverr, you can find expert digital marketers who specialized in Shopify store promotion, who will help you set up Facebook and Instagram ads, optimize your store for conversion, and run marketing campaigns to drive real traffic and sales. You don't need to hire a full-time marketer or spend thousand. Just choose a verified freelancer who fits your budget and goals. This is a Fiverr seller. He will promote your Shopify store and e-commerce marketing to increase sale. He will do Facebook ads campaign, Instagram ads campaign, and TikTok ads campaign for your Shopify store. He already complete 327 project. He have reviews, 4.7 rating, one order already in queue. So many project he already completed. So you can hire for your Shopify store promotion for increase your sales. So I suggest you personally recommend checking out explain list below description. This professional will help you grow your e-commerce business fast. And yes, this is an you buy and earn a small commission to extra cost you. So you can hire you can check his portfolio. He have so many order already completed 3k his client project. You can check his portfolio. He already campaigned for Shopify sales. So many ad he already created for his client. So don't worry, you can hire him for your Shopify sale. He will already or doing for all everything. We can check his package page. He have so many portfolio. You can check. He have basic price only $40. Shopify Facebook ads campaign, one Facebook campaign, highly target audience, 2 ad copy, 2 days management, and deeply audit. So this is not so much for promotion price. Basic price $40 and $100 for a standard package. Shopify ad campaign, Facebook and Instagram ad, 2 ad, research audience, pixel setup, domain setup, video, image, so many work he for you. So many package you can choose, basic price or a standard or premium, everything you can get. So he have so many portfolio. You can check. He have so much portfolio already he done for his client. So I hope you will take service from him. He is already completed so many project. So I hope you will understand my don't hesitate. He is so much professional. He have so many reviews, 300. We will check again his review. So many project he already completed. He have 5-star review to 287 reviews he have. So don't be hesitate. I personally recommended you checking his for take service. This is a right marketing strategy. You can easily boost your sales, increase repeat customer, and scale your business. Whatever it's Facebook ads, TikTok ads, influencer marketing, email automation. These experts know who to watch. Just tell them about your store. Just target audience, and they will handle it the rest. So you ready to grow your Shopify store and get more sales? Check out the link description below and hire your Shopify marketing expert today. Don't wait. Every day you delay, you lose potential customer. So I hope you will get the service from him. I will add this link on my description below. You will check out and you can get sales early from your store. Thank you so much.